In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from video on CapCut PC. So first of all, I just import a video from my computer. This is my video. So just drag and drop here. So now just click on remove BG. That's mean remove background. Here are three options: auto removal, custom removal, and chroma key. You need to click on this the first option, auto removal. So just wait few seconds for the processing your video. You can see this already start processing for my video. So when it's completed, it's automatically remove background from my video. So you can see I add white background to my video. So this is very easy. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.